How to use Wi-Fi networks safely. So when we are at home, when we are at public Wi-Fi hotspots, how to stay safe? When we are at home and we are using our wireless Wi-Fi network, so we should always change the preset SSID, the name of our Wi-Fi network, and the default admin password of our Wi-Fi router, so that no one else can connect and make modifications to our network. Then we should disable our SSID broadcast. We should always use most secure encryption type whatever is available. Let's say we have WPA2 or WPA3. There are mainly three types of encryptions available, and some new routers they also have a fourth type. So there are three main wireless LAN security standard which are called as WEP, WPA and WPA2, but of course we should use WPA2 wherever available, and WPA3 which is available in some new routers these days. After that, we should always be aware of WPA2 protocol security flaws. Although it's very secure, but still we have to take care that okay, how it could be cracked, how it could be hacked as well. So what are the security flaws, and then we can fill up those loopholes. So this was about when we are at home. When we are at public Wi-Fi hotspots, so we should always avoid accessing or sending sensitive information. We should always use a VPN tunnel to prevent man in the middle type of attacks. Then after that, we should always turn off our Bluetooth whenever this is not in use. We should always turn off all the services on our laptop, on our mobile phone whenever we are not using. So when we are at public Wi-Fi hotspots, we should never open our banking app. We should never operate anything which is sensitive, because public Wi-Fi hotspots, there could be rogue APs, there could be a lot of security issues. So these are some of the precautions that how to use the Wi-Fi networks safely.